Charles Schwab financial platform, Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the Charles Schwab financial platform, a versatile investment tool designed for both beginners and seasoned investors. Links to the platform can be found in the description below, so be sure to check those out. The Schwab platform offers a comprehensive range of features, including commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it an attractive choice for cost-conscious investors. It also provides robust research tools, educational resources, and a user-friendly mobile app that allows for trading and account management on the go. Schwab's advanced trading tools, such as the Street Smart Edge platform, cater to more experienced traders looking for in-depth analysis and customized dashboards. This platform is particularly suited for individuals seeking a one-stop shop for all their investment needs, whether you're looking to manage a retirement account, engage in day trading, or simply save for the future. With no account minimums for brokerage accounts and a variety of investment options, including mutual funds and fixed income, Schwab is accessible to a broad audience. Additionally, the platform offers personalized investment advice and portfolio management through Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, which is perfect for those who prefer a hands-off approach. Customer service is another strong point, with 24/7 access to representatives via phone, chat, or in-person consultations at local branches. However, it's essential to note that some users may find the sheer number of features overwhelming at first, and the research tools may require a learning curve. In conclusion, Charles Schwab is a powerful financial platform that meets the needs of diverse investors, offering a balance of low-cost trading, extensive resources, and personalized support. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button to help us share useful information with others. Thank you for watching.